3 mistakes to avoid during fever, cold, and cough. The first mistake is to continue eating. If you continue eating regularly when you're sick, your body's entire energy is utilized for digestion, and hence your body is not able to heal congruously. Instead, try to stay on fruit juices and soups. And if feasible, the best thing is to fast for a day or two. The second mistake is to not fully rest. Remember, it is only in rest the most healing takes place, and this includes not only physical rest but mental rest as well. And the third mistake is to immediately take medicines for normal fever. Remember, most medications for fever and cold do not treat the root cause, and our body has the natural endowment to heal itself. Hence, rather than taking medicines immediately for normal fever, let the body heal itself. Remember, the best of all medicines are resting and fasting.